Hello, it's David, Blue Boy, Attenbottom, coming to you from the deep woods of Australia. And today we've got an absolute treat for you to see something so rare. Virtually no one in existence has ever come across this beautiful fossil find. Stay with me. So, let's discover this rare and wondrous beast that I want to share with you right now. Come with me around this tree, and as you look, we see something perched high and lofty and airy in the crux of this branch here. It's a rare beast. It's called the egg of a deep blue cracker bottom. Let us see if we can wedge it from its perch. Yes. Oh, what could it be? Oh, a rare black grey cracker bottom. Let's put it down. Let's open it. Let's crack it like the rare egg that it is. Ooh! And out, out. It comes sprawling and sprawling. Oh yes! What have we here? It has wings like a cocoon, like a syphilis coming out of a. Ooh! There we go. The official evolutionary name for it is called the Montbell wind jacket, which is French for amazing, amazing, amazing. Let us take a deeper look at its characteristics. This rare, rare beast never before has been seen. Look at it, magnificent in the wind. It's like a cloud. Let us fly, fly, fly away. So let us now have a first look at this rare, most rare and magnificent beast, the Montbell X-Light wind jacket. Whoa! Look at it! Oh! Oh! Pull yourself together, David. Blue Boy, Attenbottom. Yes, that's like in my safari suit that I am. Wow! Let us put it on like a jacket, like the Montbell X-Light wind jacket that it is. It is so rare and so light, I cannot even get my arm inside it. Oh, look at that. It's like a Rubik's Cube. Oh, finally, we have liftoff. Look at that. Oh, it's so thin. And my finger even went into these holes up here, which is for aeration. Both sides, not even a zip. Just evolutionary designed hole there to let out vents and perspiration and heat. Yeah. Full beautiful zip. Lovely. Beautiful hood. Yeah. Pull yourself together. Act like a gentleman, David. Blue Boy Batterbottom. Okay, I will. No pockets, but alas, does not matter. Because we have one tiny pocket where it can be recessed back into the egg that it came from. Any other features? Yes. Got these little ties here that somehow make the head a lot smaller so it can hide from predators. Beautiful. And how does the material feel? David, Blue Boy Attenbottom. It feels like a plastic bag that breathes. Lovely. Yes, it is lovely. Yes. And how heavy is it, David? Well, we shall find out. Put it on the screen. I have worn this for about a minute, and it feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. I like it. I look forward to comparing it to its predecessor, the evolutionary predecessor to it, the tachyon, which has been around for a few more years. With that, we shall sign off. Until another episode of David Blue by Attenborough's coming to you live at the next exciting location around the world. Good night, good evening, and good bye.